everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today I just got several packages in the mail, and one of them was my Bolzano handbag subscription, so I had to open that. So it came like in an outer mailer bag, and then inside was this duster bag that is holding the purse and accessories. So if you've missed any of my past videos, I've actually filmed quite a few at this point of Bolzano. But like I said, Bolzano is a handbag company, and they offer several different subscription options, and you get great purses at a low price. I think like it starts at $33.95, and you get a purse with a value much higher, and 2 to 3 accessories in their Lux subscription. I'm gonna leave all of this information down below along with my playlist, so you can check out like all of the purses they have. So our tastes differ a lot, so it's really great that they offer like survey. So when you first subscribe, you let them know like what types of bags you like, what colors you like, and all of that. And if it doesn't fit your profile, they offer an exchange. So I think that is great. I'm gonna leave all this below. Like I said, I'm also going to leave down below promo code. So when you first subscribe, you can use a code. It's not affiliated, it's just for you guys, to get a free gift. It's not really a code. You actually go on their website and you search it and you add it to cart. There's no like, you won't get charged or anything. It is free, but you get a gift with a $45 value. I always say if you guys do use that code, will you please let me know what gift you get? I think that is so exciting. But yeah, I think that's enough information for now. I'm too excited. I want to get into the unboxing portion. If you guys have any questions, of course, just leave them down below in the comment section. But yeah, let's see what bag I got this month. Ooh, it's red. This is such a pretty color. I don't think I have one like this. This looks like a big clutch bag, but I'm guessing there is a strap inside. But this is what the front looks like. This is such a pretty red. It's like a brick red. So there's a Bolzano logo right there. Oh yeah, and I'm sure there's a chain inside because they have it here to attach, but there is the front and the back, and on the bottom it has those little, I don't know, what's the word for these, so they can stand up. Let's see, how do you get this open? So it has a snap closure, and then here's what it looks like inside. So here are the extras that come with it. Here is the strap. Oh, it's actually attached. So there is a longer adjustable strap, so that is great. There's actually like a little front compartment here, and then on the inside it's open like this, and there's a zipped pocket. And there's also like a little open pocket along there too. Wow, this is really spacious. I love the color of this. I love how every month I get such a unique bag from them. Like none of them like overlap. Like there's a use for each one. They all have different colors. They're all different shapes and styles. It's so fun to get. This is so great. And I love how there's like pretty much like 4 different compartments if you count that zip portion. And again, you have the adjustable strap that just hooks on right here. I don't know, you guys, I love this color. This is so cute, and I love how the size of this, like you can fit a lot in here. This would be perfect for like going out and work. Like since you can fit a lot, it doesn't look too bulky or anything like that, which I like. So yeah, like I said, this is like multi-function. Like I'm really excited to get some use out of this. So let's see what is in this bag. It says Bolzano. So it looks like this month they sent me both the accessories and some purse companions. So I think this is really neat. They have an option, what they call purse companions. So you get things that you can add to your purse if you want, like the name suggests, but they typically are like beauty items. So the first thing I see in this bag is actually a makeup brush, and it looks really nice. Just says cosmetic brush on the back. Now let me get it out so we can like feel it. I don't really know what brand this is, but that doesn't really matter. It's all that matters is like how it functions. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, this is really soft. It's like really flimsy. I think this might be good for like maybe a blush, especially just want to like loosely pack it on. I'm excited to get this and try it out. It's so soft. So cool, so that is the first thing we have in here. Here are some of the accessories, but let's see what else is included for like the beauty portion or the purse companions. So, oh nice, we have one of these little chapstick holders. So these are nice, you can attach this in your bag and inside is a chapstick. And ooh, it's Cappuccino Lip Balm. I bet this smells really good. Let's open it. Oh yes, I almost went like this, like take a whiff. This smells really good, like a cappuccino. So these are really convenient, and I love how they gave this, because this like goes with the purse theme, you know, because you can just add this in, and the colors go pretty well together. Gosh, I love this red. It makes me want to go throw on a red dress. Then we got an eyeshadow, it looks like. Oh no, it's a blush. Oh, perfect. That goes really well. That's well coordinated. So this, like I said, I would think this would be a blush brush, but you can really use brushes however you want. And then we have Blush by Desi. We've gotten some Desi eyeshadows before. And on the back it says this is hypoallergenic and cruelty-free. It doesn't have a shade name. They do numbers. So it says Desi Blush number 6. And it's made in Miami. Oh, nice. This looks like it could almost be like a contour shade. I'm very pale though. Oh no, yeah, this is pretty. Like a subtle blush. But yeah, I think this could even be a bronzer for my skin tone. It feels nice and buttery, so I'll have to try that out. But I think on deeper skin tones, this would be really pretty as a blush, but it might even be like a bronzer type shade for me. I'll have to try it out. So yeah, nice. I love getting makeup. Obviously, if you guys know me at all, I love makeup and stuff like that. And then what is this last thing? It says Eyebrow Stencil. I don't know much about Eyebrow Stencil. It says directions before use, tear off protective film and back, place selected stencil on your brow, aligning it with the natural arc. Press firmly in place and then brush brow powder in both directions, starting with a light application. You can always apply more powder if necessary. Gently remove the stencil as not to smudge the powder. To keep your brows in place, apply a small amount of brow gel or with an angled brush, a small amount of brow pomade. Voila! Perfectly shaped brows. Interesting. Oh, and they have like different shapes? So if you want flirty brows, oh wait, that would go on this side, right? So these are the flirty brows. And then there's Uptown Girl. So how do you do it on the other side? You just, oh yeah, you just flip it around. Femme Fatale. Wow, I didn't realize there were so many different brow shapes. Diva. Gosh, what are my natural brow shades? My brows are so bad. I should try this. Should I try this in an upcoming video? This is Hollywood. I definitely need some work on my brows, so I really will try this if you guys want to see me try a brow stencil. So yeah, there are 6 different brow shapes that you can try. I've never used anything like this. Have you guys? I think that's fun that they put this in here. I love getting new things. You guys know I get a lot of boxes, so when I get something like unique, that excites me. So those are the purse companions. Again, we got the brush and a blush. We got the little chapstick holder along with Cappuccino Lip Balm and the eyebrow stencils. And now let's move into the accessories. So if you pick the subscription option with accessories, you get 2 to 3 each month, they say, but I've always gotten 3. Looks like, yeah, there's 3 different bags here. So jewelry bags, let's open this one first. Looks like these are earrings. And usually they're really well coordinated, so you can get like a full like matching set. Oh wow, these are very festive, but I think this is great to give in December because you can like wear these for like New Year's. They're like drop earrings. These are very unique. I don't have anything like this. And they're like very shiny. So I think, yeah, like a night out, this could be cute. And it looks like there is a bracelet in here. Yeah, this is very fancy too. This is for another night out. This is like not, like, I mean, it could, depending on who you are, this could be like every day, but I would think this would be like for a night out, like for example, like a holiday party, New Year's Eve, Christmas. Very pretty, and it is adjustable. It has like lobster clasp. Nice. And then the last thing we have here looks like a necklace. So get everything in here. Yep, definitely a necklace, and this goes with everything else. So it has like a little like loop shape and then a drop down dangle. Do you guys see that? Again, this is adjustable. So So this is very unique. I feel like all the jewelry we get, it looks like this is like a bow. And like part of it is encrusted with gems, am I saying that right? And part of it is gold. Interesting, and then again, yeah, it has that like little drop dangle. So this is very unique and cool. So those are the jewelry pieces. And then, again, the purse. I love this red color. I'm gonna put the strap on and show you guys what that looks like. All right, so I got that out. So here you can see it's adjustable, and I will clip these on. And there we go. I think this is so fun. I love the red. Oh, red actually like goes well with my black dress I'm wearing. Maybe I'll wear this out later. I'm going out, so yeah. So that is everything that came in my Bolzano for December. I think it was a good month. You guys are gonna have to leave your thoughts down below. And if you guys get Bolzano, let me know what bag you got. I know they often have like variations. Sometimes we'll just get different colors. So yeah, definitely let me know what you got. And if you get that free gift, what your gift was. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.